learn the Kamehameha wave. So tell me, kid, how is your grandpa doing?
Grandpa died a long time ago.
Oh, I see. I'm very sorry to hear that. Hey, I've got a great idea. Why don't you come to stay with me on my island and I'll train you personally?
It would be a great honor to have the same teacher my grandpa had.
I'll never forget the day he showed up. And so, he told us that he was Goku. So we started calling him Goku Black.